Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome, cute, shaped birthday card using this awesome versatile die set, the nesting stitched dome die set. The largest die is a true A2, 5.5 inch tall, 4.25 inch wide. But before we get started on the tutorial, I wanted to tell you about 2 sales going on at Cat Scrappiness. First, she has her end of year sale, which you can get 15% off site wide with the code BYE2022. That means by 2022. The second sale now is on all slimline, 20% off all slimline. That's her mini slimline dies and her full-size slimline dies. It includes the slimline paper with the code slimline20. So that's 2 sales. Alrighty, now let's get started on this tutorial. To make this card, the main die is this nested stitch dome die set. I'm also using the happy birthday word die, as you can see here. Great time to start making birthday cards, right? And the last die set is Scoop of Love, one of my favorites. Perfect for all year round crafting. You can use it as a donut, you could use it as a brownie with a topping, etc. So instead of having, like, let's say a slice of cake or a cupcake, you could also use this for birthdays. I think it's great. Of course, I love this drippy accent right here. Super cute die set. You can get the waffle print, which I love, or you can go solid. And lastly, I used, in the background on this one, Falling Hearts 6x6 stencil. Love. So I just did a light little background with the Falling Hearts. This is a top folding A2 card, like so, all on a 110-pound cardstock. And here I did the birthday. I use this almost reminiscent of chocolate topping, toffee kind of glitter cardstock with the pink background. And then these 2 shades of pink are different just to add a little variety. And then here I use some bits, and we'll talk about the bits towards the end of the video. Okay, so let's get started with that tutorial. To make a shaped card, you can do it 2 ways. You can do that shaped card top folding or side folding. And you also have 2 options of making it. This is on 65-pound cardstock. Here I'm using the Cat Scrappiness Teflon bone folder. It's also a scoring tool. And you can use the thicker end here to burnish, to create a nice crease on your cardstock. So we have 2 styles of cards. Now, because this is 65-pound cardstock, that means that I can create my shaped card this way. If you're going to use 110-pound, which is what I normally use, then I'm going to show you a second way of doing it. So actually, we're seeing 3 different ways of doing a shaped card. On the top folding, what you're looking for, instead of cutting it like so, which would give me 2 equal pieces of the dome, you want to cut it like this. See that open end right there? That is what will create the shaped card for you. Just a little piece of tape, and then run it through my die cut machine. Put your die at an angle and just run it through. Alrighty. So here now, that's one shaped card, and I'll show you in a second. Then we're going to do the second shaped card. So that's the top folding shaped card. Now let me show you the side. You're going to now put your edge like so. And so instead of like this, see what I'm doing? Go a little bit over, okay? That will now give you the side. Standard opening shaped card. Okay. Again, do another angle, flip my top cutting plate over, and run it through my die cut machine. So from this single die, I was able to make top folding card. See how the top folding works? Just because I left that open. Now you see that square bit? Don't worry about that, because we'll take care of it. Even on here. Get the great stitching detail, but nobody will really see this. I'll tell you why. Open it out now to the side. So this is now 65-pound cardstock, 2 card bases. But to me, this is kind of not so heavy, and if you're going to build on top of it, like I did here, I suggest using 110-pound. I did it one time with this die at 110, folded in half. Not good on my die. And on the machine either. The machine was like, oh no. So it was a lot of pressure, too much pressure. If you're going to make a lot of them, I would suggest doing it this way. So I already pre-cut 210-pound domes, okay? You're going to take your scoreboard. Same bone folder. Now you can score, I would say, anywhere between 3/8 of an inch, so 5.5 here, 3/8 of an inch or 1/2 an inch. I didn't put it this side because you see what's happening with the curve? So I did it this way. So it's locked into that starting off at 0. So you're going to have to work from here. See, 5.5 inches right there. I'm going to do it at 5 1/8, which is 3/8 of an inch down from 5.5, okay? Like so. There we go. So you're only going to score one of them, okay? Then you're going to fold on that score line, like so, and burnish. Burnish. Love the burnishing. You have 2 pieces like this. You could do them face to face like this, but I would do the pretty side on the inside, facing up. So they're going to layer like this. I'm actually making a hinge here instead of it being clean like this. But the recipient won't notice. So you see the difference? There will be a little bit in here, but it's not that big of a deal. Nobody's going to look at the top and go, oh no, what's that? They know it's a handmade card with love, and the card will function exact same way. Take some Barely Art glue, and Kat does carry Barely Art glue and a refill too. Line up your bases. I like to stand it up like so to line it up. Now right here, I should have my acrylic block. If you have an acrylic block, you can put it on here for weight. You'll have this same top folding card. But right here can cause a problem. Just put a little snip across that top. Use any scissors you like. Just go along that line and snip. So essentially, we're creating the same exact card. So it'd be like that or that. There's your difference. But they both work same exact way. This one is more sturdy at 110 pounds than this one. Same principle would apply here. I would just snip it and then snip the side. But at the side, you would see more of this from the side. Up here, it's at the top. Nobody will really notice that. Then now you're going to cut another piece. So you're going to cut 3 pieces. That third piece will be your top, covering that side piece or covering this top. You see it? But on this card, I'm going to go blue this time. Here I'm using blue 110-pound cardstock. I didn't have to, but I like my cards to be sturdy. In the back, you'll just see that little top part. But this exposed top part, I like that to be 110 pounds as well. You could do double-sided tape too. But in this instance, I'm going to use my tape gun. I like to run it on the base instead of on here because I don't want tape up that top portion. I'm going to just stand it up and go ahead. Now we have that card base done, that shaped card base. Next, so from the same dome die set, I'm going to take the second die from the largest and we're going to make a layer. That's the great thing about this nested set is that it layers, okay? So here's that second piece cut out of some shimmer cream cardstock. You can pop this up if you wish, but I'm going to go just with my tape gun. Center it like so. Now we have that top folding card with the matting layer. Next, I already pre-cut Scoop of Love. I'm not going to do the stencil. I just wanted to show you a different way of doing it. If you don't have the stencil, you can also go this option. First time, I went over to the right at an angle, like so. You see it like that angle? You could stick it off. You could go like this. Lots of options. This time, I'm going to put it on like so. I'm going to put on a little bit of wet glue. And go ahead, stick that on towards the top because at the bottom is going to be the sentiment. Then I did the happy birthday in the same blue cardstock that's on the outside and then a different glitter cardstock. This glitter cardstock is kind of like a cream glitter cardstock, which kind of goes with this. This one is a white glitter cardstock with flecks of, it's like a warm glitter cardstock. So it kind of goes with that brown. I was thinking about things like that. And like so. This one I think I'm going to pop up. So I'm going to apply the foam towards the back. Removing the tape backing from my foam. I'm going to adhere it to the base like so. Center it as best as you can. It looks pretty straight to me. Hopefully it's straight. And there you go. Now you can finish your card. To me, this almost looks like a baby card to me. It's cute. Like for a toddler's birthday or something. Cute. On this card, I used the Espresso Glitter Sequin Mix. Definitely get that, 15% off. Or platinum solid round confetti. So these two are here. On this one, seeing that I have the glitter, this one I kind of did, you know, this whole treatment to be like chocolate bits on here. You don't have to go this way and still have a cute card. Same theme, just slightly different looking. Play. Okay. This one I'm going to use, I picked out these three. Blue opal, solid round confetti, 2 blue, mother of pearl, love this one, or pearlescent peach. Think this is speaking to me here, so I'm going to go with this one, okay? So I decided to put some more of these confetti sequins up here. I love these confetti sequins in so many colors. What do you guys think? I think these are adorable. 2 cute birthday cards. This one has a higher profile in terms of the foam used. This has a lower profile. The heart is over to the angle. Here is straight up. But what do you guys think? I think this is adorable and fun and easy. This is a great idea of stretching your die set like this. Doesn't always have to be a shaker. It could still even be a shaped dome shaker card. Love this scoop of love. The happy birthday out the gate winner. All right, crafters, don't forget to check out Kat's Steals and Deals, okay? So until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Give this shaped card a try. It is so much fun. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.